The future is electric. Everything from cars to consumer electronics to renewable energy storage is dependent on our ability to build more and better batteries. Today, lithium-ion batteries dominate those markets, but demand for the critical minerals needed to make lithium-ion batteries is predicted to outstrip supply. That, combined with cost considerations and concerns over energy security, are leading companies and countries to consider alternative battery chemistries.
The entire world currently uses lithium-ion batteries. Imagine a situation where we have more sustainable, cheaper, and safer batteries than the current ones. Now, these batteries can be used anywhere and everywhere. Pretty cool, right? Guess who came up with this innovation? The Northvolt Swedish battery company. Let us dive into Sweden's new sodium-ion battery that shocks the EV industry. Northvolt has recently announced a breakthrough in its research and development in the field of energy storage with its innovative sodium-ion battery technology. It also claims to start mass production soon. So what does this groundbreaking innovation offer us? This new technology promises to be cheaper, safer, and more sustainable than traditional lithium-ion batteries. It could potentially revolutionize the way we power electric vehicles, store energy for the grid, and use portable devices. Established in 2016 in Stockholm, Northvolt has gained prominence and developed into a main player driving the innovation in battery technology with the obligation to contribute to a greener world through cheaper and more sustainable battery technology. The firm has a distinct battery manufacturing approach that seeks to reduce and make the environmental footprint smaller through tax reforms and social benefits, making it different from the conventional ones. Northvolt also has strong alliances with the most outstanding companies globally in the automotive and energy sectors, among them BMW, Scania, Volkswagen, and Homologus. These partnerships brought sales of batteries worth over $55 billion to Northvolt, and they're a good representation of the industry's trust in the company's awesome product. The company is known to be the most advanced and largest battery manufacturing company in the world. Do you know what makes the company even cooler? The entire factory is renewed by 100% renewable energy and uses state technology and automation to improve efficiency and quality. Northvolt ETT prioritizes sustainability by recycling materials used in battery production and reducing waste and emissions. Have you heard of Northvolt Labs? Northvolt's emphasis on creativity and cooperation takes the shape of its research and development and industrialization campus, Northvolt Labs, located in Västerås City, Sweden. It's also a hotspot for developing battery technology and solutions, particularly using the company's clean energy, hence its vision of a brighter world for us all. Northvolt Labs grants a group of research scientists, engineers, and technicians the opportunity to develop and test new battery technologies. The campus is endowed with advanced amenities such as a pilot plant, an experimental center, a shredder, and a client engagement unit. Such facilities give Northvolt an opportunity to do full research, during which it develops the initial concept, conducts prototype testing, and sets the production scale. Northvolt marks the pilot production line as an opportunity to experiment with many different manufacturing processes and techniques, an opportunity to increase efficiency and quality. This method of manufacturing, combined with constant observation and feedback provided by hands-on activities, allows the company to swiftly refine and improve its developments in battery production. Besides production, Northvolt Labs also accommodates the test center, where batteries are put through laboratory tests to examine their safety, and performance. The performance of these tests satisfies regulatory requirements and Northvolt's quality standards, assuring customers of the robustness and longevity of their products. Northvolt has expanded its production skills and has opened its own companies in countries like Germany, the US, and Canada. They're trying to be the global leader in the battery industry and are aiming to contribute to the transition to a low-carbon economy and society. So what is the thing with sodium-ion batteries? Even though Northvolt had been the leader of lithium-ion batteries for several years, the recent unveiling of the sodium-ion battery project determined a pivotal step for the company. Sodium-ion batteries have some advantages compared to lithium-ion batteries, as they're less expensive to manufacture, resources are better available, and processing them is less risky. They're also more environmentally friendly. As sodium is richer in supply and running through nature, it's inexpensive and sustainable for the battery industry to manufacture it. Moreover, the sodium-ion batteries will not require cobalt and nickel as commonly used in lithium-ion batteries, and many industries categorize them among the hazardous substances due to their limited resources and unsuitable mining activities. Do you think that this innovation has got its challenges as well? Creating sodium-ion batteries that will be as competitive in terms of performance as the presently used lithium-ion batteries is considered to be one of the biggest obstacles that the battery manufacturers are facing so far. Density and charging times are key parameters that decide whether the battery technology is dependable in different application areas, from electric vehicles to grid-scale energy storage systems. Contrary to lithium-ion chemistry, which is considered the leader in the innovation niche, sodium-ion batteries have historically exhibited inferior performance in certain metrics. Nevertheless, recent progress in the development of sodium-ion batteries brings forth grounds for the commercialization of the technology, which is capable of competing with lithium-ion and other sodium alternatives. One of the key limes for sodium-ion battery labs is the search for electrode materials that can charge as well as discharge. Graphite and metal oxide composites, which are typical for traditional lithium-ion batteries, have been positioned not to be suitable to be coupled with sodium ions due to the reason that their ions differ. Hence, they cannot match the sodium salt ions. Nevertheless, the community has faced a big challenge in the identification of new materials for sodium-ion batteries that are designed for high efficiency and long life. The Prussian blue analogs, which are compounds that can allow reversible insertion or extraction of sodium ions into their lattice structure, have also been under investigation for sodium-ion batteries. This means fast energy and cycling ability, and this is great because it meets the requirements of sodium-ion batteries. In addition to this, the researchers have investigated other upgraded materials such as carbon nanomaterials and metal sulfides, which would help to improve the efficiency of sodium-ion batteries. Advancements in battery manufacturing techniques such as electrode fabrication and cell assembly have enabled greater control over the structure and morphology of sodium-ion batteries, further enhancing their performance and reliability. Northvolt has developed a sodium-ion battery technology that involves new electrode materials and an ion called sodium, which allows for high energy density and a long cycle life. The firm reported that the sodium-ion batteries at their disposal have a specific energy density of more than 160 watt-hour per kilogram and compare well with lithium-ion batteries. Such a battery boasts a high energy density, which qualifies this type of battery for a broad range of applications, from electric vehicles and grid-scale storage devices down to portable electronic devices. Besides their outstanding features, sodium-ion batteries have the edge in particular with safety and sustainability. In contrast to lithium-ion batteries, which may ignite or explode under specific circumstances, sodium-ion batteries are the naturally safe kind, as sodium takes the place of a charge carrier. By the same token, sodium-ion batteries employ iron as the cathode material, and this contrasts with cobalt and nickel, which are respectively much costlier and scarce. So what do you think about this? Is this the better option? The environmental friendliness of sodium-ion batteries is another factor that makes them a strong contender as an alternative to lithium batteries. They replace the unreliable, rare, and often costly elements such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel with common metals like sodium and iron. This is one of the main benefits of sodium-ion batteries, as they currently have a lower cost advantage, which translates into affordability and widespread use, consequently leading to the increased utilization of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Renewable energy sources are very natural and therefore generate electricity only when the sun shines or when the wind blows. Advanced energy storage equipment that can be employed to store the energy surplus generated during peak production periods and then released at times when demand outnumbers the available energy supply are key components for the successful operation of renewable energy systems. Sodium-ion batteries offer a dependable and high-powered storage option for volatile renewable solar and wind sources. Consequently, they help to avoid the intermittency and great instability problems associated with renewable energy sources. In a nutshell, The Nordic battery solution that Northvolt provides constitutes a significant leap towards sustainable and more efficient energy storage systems. Due to its ability to decrease costs, increase safety, and reduce environmental consequences, sodium-ion battery technology is expected to be a key factor in creating the future of energy storage and transportation. It's with the production of sodium-ion batteries at a large scale by Northvolt that the next chapter in electric battery technology is unveiled. Anyways, this news has sent shockwaves in the entire industry. What are your thoughts regarding this? If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be updated on our latest content. Your opinions really matter, so let us know your thoughts on the topic discussed in our comment section down below.